Hello and welcome to the program. I'm Ben Cleary. On today's program, we're going to be talking about backing up your data and the ability to take that backup and restore your data. My guest today is Megan Caldwell. Megan's with our training department here at CCH Small Firm Services. Megan, always a pleasure.
Always good to be here.
So talking about backing up your data, how important is that? What can happen?
That's definitely one of the most important things you want to do. You never know if there's going to be just a random computer crash or, of course, hopefully not, but there could be natural disasters, flooding, fires. We don't want to take the risk of theft. So anything that could happen to your computer, your data would be gone. So having that backup is definitely important so you don't lose all your customers' information.
Yeah, nowadays so many of us don't keep paper copies.
Right.
So much of it is on the computer, it's on the hard drive, or it's someplace that if something happened to it, you'd just be out of business. So backing up your data is just a smart thing to do, and It's so easy nowadays. It used to be it was a tough thing, but now with thumb drives and portable hard drives and things like this, you can get a lot of data with you to take off-site, and that's not a bad idea.
No, definitely not a bad idea to have a separate location for your backup.
Now with our tax software, I know that we make it pretty easy on you to back up your data and the important stuff. So if you would, take us into the software and show us the process of backing up our data and then how to restore it.
Okay.
In TaxWise, when you're ready to back up, you're going to find the backup under your Tools menu. So we'll go to Tools and then Backup to Disk. And there's two options here. The first we're going to look at is the regular backup. And we have the option of either starting a new backup, which is starting a brand new backup, nothing else will be included, or we can add to a previous backup, which just adds these files that we're backing up now to files that we've backed up previously. I'm going to go ahead and leave this on Start New Backup for today. And you also have the option of including e-files and including any returns that were deleted. So once you've made your selections here, we'll click OK. We're going to choose which username that we want to back up from. Say OK again. And then it's going to show you all the returns that are in that user. And you can select to back up a single return or multiple or all of your returns just by clicking the check boxes before each return. Once you've chosen the returns, click OK. And at this point, we'll look to see where we're going to save that backup. So again, I'm going to choose my flash drive. We always want to choose some sort of removable media. Say OK. And you'll see the backup has been completed that quickly. Now, to do the archive backup, it's very similar. It's under Tools, again, Backup to Disk, and then choose Archive. And this gets all of the returns from all your usernames. So you don't have to go through and select which user and which returns. It's going to get all returns from all users. And again, just choose where it's saving. Click OK, and it'll tell you that that backup is complete. Then to go back and do a restore of your data, it's also under Tools, Restore from Disk, and you can restore from your regular backup, from an e-file transfer, or an archive backup. And these all work fairly similarly, so I'm just going to go through the regular backup. We'll choose that one. First, we're choosing where that data was stored, so I'm going to choose that flash drive. Click OK. Choose the originating username where that return was originally started. And then again, choose the returns that you'd like to restore. And you'll get the Restore Summary screen once it's complete. It'll show you how many returns for each username and how many different return versions and things that you've restored. So once you've finished, click OK, and you'll get the Restore Complete message. And that's all there is for backing up and restoring in TaxWise.
Megan, we just can't stress enough how important it is to make a backup of your data. Take it out of the office with you when you leave every day. Do it on a thumb drive, do it on a hard drive, whatever you have to do that backup on, and then take it home with you every day. Because if something happened, heaven forbid, you've got that backup. You can get your business back up and running.
Right, and another option that's been coming forth more and more in the past couple of years is the cloud system, being able to save that somewhere on the internet in a cloud data, somewhat similar to your cell phones. those back up to cloud processes now. So any kind of data that you can save, whether it be portable hard drive, on a network drive, somewhere off-site is going to be best, just in case something does happen.
Sounds great. Backing up your data and being able to restore that data, it's a very important thing in your business. Megan, thanks so much.
Not a problem.
And we thank you for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.